So we should avoid over reliance on a single model. So depending entirely on one model, it introduces risk. And what kind of risk? Vendor lock-in. If you use only one model, vendor lock-in, you are dependent on that vendor. So vendor locking. So if that API goes down or something happens with the vendor, then you will get stuck. Cost exposure, vendor lock-in, cost exposure, performance bottlenecks. Like for simple tasks, you will be using a large model. Single point of failure. So that's why we should not over rely on a single model, because if you just like an agentic system you are making, and if you are using just one model, if your entire agentic system is dependent on one model, it can be very dangerous. It introduces the single point of failure, performance bottlenecks, cost exposure, vendor lock-in. So the architectural best practice, if we talk about, which you should consider, the architectural best practice. So we should abstract the model layer. So abstracting the model layer means we should introduce an interface through which we can use whatever model we want, and these models should be plug and play. Like we have an interface. Using that interface we can connect to whatever model we want. So that is the abstract model layer. Instead of adding a model as a core component, we have to abstract it. It should be pluggable. So we are making use of three models: model A, model B, model C. So model A is swappable, like we can replace it with any other model. Model B is acting like the fallback model. If something goes wrong with the model A, this fallback model will take care of the things. And model C is used for A/B test. So the idea is that and we are creating an interface. So that is the abstract model layer. Support model swapping, enable fallback models, allow A/B testing. And A/B testing is very important because with time we will learn, we will understand that okay, which model is giving us good results for a particular kind of a task. So the agents, what they will do is they will interact with this interface. So agents should depend on model interfaces, not specific model instances. So agents should not directly communicate with the model, rather they should communicate with the model via an interface. So agents should depend on model interface and not specific model instances. And with this model, like abstract model layer, we can introduce multiple models like a fallback model. We can do A/B testing, and we can have model which are swappable. We can like we can swap. So that's the idea. So this is the architectural best practice we should consider while designing agentic AI systems.